fun because it's Halloween. Ooh, spooky. It is the return of the living bootleg. I picked up this bootleg at a store called AJ Wright for $4.99. Yay! I don't have the Energon Optimus Prime, and he's expensive on eBay. I've considered buying him, but for whatever reason, he's in high demand, even though he's aka Fatimus Prime, or the Fat Optimus. Alright, I haven't opened this guy at the toy store where I got him. They also had more bootlegs of Energon guys. They had Hot Shot, Inferno, and they had I think it's Air Raid, and they had Rodimus and Mirage. I was thinking of picking them all up, but I said to myself, let me get Optimus, the guy that I don't own, as a real toy, because I have the real Rodimus and the real Mirage, and I also have the real Air Raid. He was in the movie line, and the real Strong Arm, and the real Inferno, and the real Hot Shot and stuff. So I decided, hey, let me get Optimus since I don't have him. Cool artwork, I like it, even though it's a bootleg. Changeable. He's a mega hero. He must like Guitar Hero too. Alright, let me open the package. Let's see what chilling surprise is inside. My trusty blade cut box cutter, which I'll probably get tetanus if I get cut with this thing. It's so dirty. That's why always be careful. For those of you guys who don't know, I always incline the blade so that the tip is touching the inside of the cardboard. That way the card doesn't have that look as if though there's part of it being torn off. So let me bring this down out of camera, and this and that, and you guys are having fun, and I'm not having fun, and this, and I might cut myself if I'm not careful, and ooh, scary. Right, let's take the whole thing off. There we go. Plastic bubble, Optimus Prime, and the card. Hey, not fancy card art, even though it has an Energon Optimus on it, but his face is covered by the price sticker. Ooh, freely combinable series. I want to try power linksing 2 of these bootlegs. So we have more advertisements, changeable. Let's take him out of his tray. Ooh. Alright. Feels good so far. And let me free his pistola. Ay, 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 ay. So far so good. Gun fits in arm, even though it's in hand, even though it's a bootleg. Classic. Be gone with you. Alright. So, since this guy didn't come with any instructions, I went to Hasbro's instruction website and I printed myself some. La. But the thing is, even though I have my printer to print everything in black and white, since the copy that they had on the internet was like something they just photocopied, it's hard to see here. Alright, let's go according to instructions then. Primero, quita la pistola. You remove the gun. Then, his feet. What the hell? I mean, the heck? I guess his feet turn like that. And then there's something about his head coming off. I think there's like an extra big head that goes over his normal little head. But in this thing, it's all big. And then thing in the back, which is here, goes up. What the heck? Wow. Wow. I don't know what to do here. Then this goes down, supposedly. It supposedly goes down. It's already down. There's some spinning here. See, spin away. I have no idea where this goes. Could probably try and figure it out. Wow, ratcheted joints on a bootleg. I know his arms are supposed to go back, but I don't know how. Let's just bring these in because it seems natural. Whoa, what's this? Whoops, sorry. What fun is it if I do everything off camera? Alright, so I guess these pegs on the bottom of his feet plug into this hole back here. Go wow wow. Alright, so half of Fatimus is done. Looks like this part spreads out. It can't be. It's probably part of his other transformation when he super links or something. Just do this like that. This around. Oh, right, like that. Probably. I think I'm gonna break it. There we go. Uh-oh, 9 minutes, 33 seconds. No! Alright. Bad to miss. Then something about the arms curving. get it. I guess it's like that. Alright, I think I did it. He's pretty sturdy for a bootleg. I thought it was gonna break him. And the gun comes into here and there. Ouch. Alright. Do I recommend buying this guy? He's impressed me so far. Guess he's not the bad kind of bootlegs. Alright. See you guys later.